Amsoil. Legendary products by a company devoted to protecting your engine. To celebrate 4 decades of innovation, one lucky fan will be going home in this 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1.
We're back at the shop, and the engine's ready to go back into the Mustang. And because the engine made well over 400 horsepower, the rest of the Mustang needs to meet or exceed the same level of performance. The whole front end needs to be replaced. All the front suspension, the rear suspension, all the steering. We're going to replace all of that along with the brakes. It's got to be safe, it's got to be reliable. The next step, we'll be working on all the chassis and suspension components.
Follow the Build on our Amsoil Inc. Facebook page and register to win at amsoil.com/musclecar. Amsoil, devoted to protection since 1972.